morning, loser. We're going to McDonald's.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Wrenching with the VA Gang. As you can see today, we're working on the E55. We got a problem here. My subframe fell because my two bolts, my mounting points ripped out with my bolts. Dropped the subframe onto my exhaust, and now my exhaust is hanging. You can see that. You get down there, you can see that's the subframe hanging down on the exhaust. That's not too bad of a problem. We got an easy fix. 2 bolts, some nuts and screws. We're gonna sandwich it in, fix that right back. Now, of course, that's the easy way out. Of course, we got another problem. Also, you can see I'm on a spare too. I love spares, but my shock's broke. Now, I believe this is the host of the Airmatic suspension, so I hope that's not completely damaged as well. But we won't know until we find out. So, here we go.
What you about to do?
It was like a, what they call it? You know? It's like something like a creeper, but it's not a creeper.
Okay, okay.
You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about?
Okay. What else you gonna do? After you put that down,
Yeah,
what else?
See, okay.
After that's down, what's...
That's it.
Oh my God.
You'll do the same thing to the right side, you know what I mean?
Oh.
Come on, man, put some staples, you got it. Man, where's the staple? Cardboard box. There it is. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the inside wall first so I can see what's going on.
Diamond flurry, ooh. Look at my wrist like, ooh. Diamond flurry, ooh. Look at my neck like, ooh. Diamond flurry, ooh. Look at my wrist like, ooh. Diamond flurry, ooh. Look at my neck like, ooh. Yeah. Ooh.
Let me go.
Oh, that's
The
way better.
angle drill is much
Way
recommended.
better.
You get in spots where other drills simply can't. Shut out to the wall.
Try to hide this one from me. Make sure you. Oh, see, and that's what they do. They make that one an 8.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So where we're gonna start, since I have 2 problems, I think this would be the easiest way to do it, since this shock is already broke. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. And by doing that, to get to the top bolt of the shock, you need to come in the trunk. And you see on the liner, you see these are clips. Boom, boom. You have some right here. Boom. Same on the other side too, right there. And then on my E55, I have the screws right here. Same on the other side, those are gonna come out. And you can lift this out and take out all of this, all of the liner, because you're gonna need to be getting under there. And taking this out, you really don't need to take out this to take out the liner, but to put the liner back under the crease, the cracks and crevices like it's supposed to be, you want to take this out. Makes it easier. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, look at my wrist. She's staring. What is it? Nah. I gotta go. Right here. Sweet.
Diamond flurry, ooh. Look at my wrist like, ooh. ooh.
Oh, watch your leg. Is that the foot?
Good. And you got these ones. Boom. What else I got? There's another one.
Where's that? Can't really see.
I try to hide it from you. I don't want you to get to it.
Yeah, try to make it to where you got to come in and do it. Spend like $1 million.
Oh, just the shocks right here. Probably like $3,000 at the dealer.
Wow. How much is the shocks itself? Just the part?
Just the parts. Okay, so when you got the liner out, it looked like this. This is what's going on. Yeah, I'm recording. And then those are the top of the bolts for the shocks. Boom. Be the same on this side. I didn't take this one all the way out because the cigarette lighter. Because I can reach it just like that. That's all I need to do. So in order to get the shock out, this is the wire. The wire goes right here. It'll be the one that's in the middle with the yellow tape around it. And you just unplug this. It'll be a pin right here. You pull the pin and unplug the wire. This one might come out with it, but if it does, just put that back in. And then you're gonna open these little tabs and just gonna follow the wire all the way back.
Diamond flurry, ooh. Look at my wrist like, ooh. Diamond flurry, ooh. Look at my neck like, ooh. Diamond flurry, ooh. Look at my wrist like, ooh. Diamond flurry, ooh. Look at my neck like, ooh.
And I already have the bottom bolt out and the top as well. I'm just gonna kind of decompress the shock so you can have enough room. Oh man. Take the bottom side out first, easier. Bro. Just gotta get it into place. Okay, so right about here is where I'm going to start drilling my hole into the frame of the car. And this is where you're going to be able to put your new control arm bolts, nut and washer through the subframe and the frame of the car. All right. And then clamp them down and sandwich them. Now So you'll see me start doing that now. Hole dozer, my angle impact, and I'm gonna drill a hole just like the other side. So what you're gonna want to do, get your new bolts, your front control arm bolts. Take your washer, and just go up. Right into the hole. Boom. Okay. Now I'm going to take my 13/16. This is a spark plug socket. I'm going to put it on the bolt. Put it on the bolt, make sure it's on there. I'm going to get my jack put in position. I'm using these wood blocks. Take the impact. I'm going to go right onto the socket and jack right up. I'm going to jack right up onto the socket. You'll notice the exhaust started to go back into place. You can come on the side of the car and you can check the hole you just drilled, and you'll see the bolt coming straight through the top. Boom. Right there. So now, I'm gonna take our new bolt. We're gonna take our new nut and washer. Take the washer. Okay, so throughout this video, or I should say after this video, I lost some of my footage or misplaced it. So you can kind of tell how the clips are put together. Some of them are here and there. But if you can't tell, then I did a good job editing this video. But you can pretty much get the whole basis of the repair. And if you run into a problem or you need help with anything, just go ahead and send me a message, and I will respond to you as urgently as possible. For the quickest response, I recommend messaging me on Instagram at a.l.i951, and I'll respond to you and get you the help you need, and we can get this sorted out. But for now, this has been another episode of Wrenching with the V8 Gang. I have been Ali. Thank you for watching.
Get in, loser. We're going to McDonald's.